The cozy world of tea cozy. Hello, dear viewers. Today, we are going to dive into an interesting English phrase that might sound a bit puzzling at first. Tea cozy. If you've ever wondered what it means and where it comes from, you're in for a treat. Let's start by breaking down the phrase, tea cozy. Tea, we all are familiar with this one. It's a popular beverage made by pouring hot water onto tea leaves or tea bags. It's cherished around the world and has a long history. Cozy. The word cozy, in general English, means something that gives warmth, comfort, or a feeling of safety. When you hear someone say, "Let's have a cozy evening," they usually mean a warm and comfortable time, perhaps with blankets, a fire, and a good movie. When combined, tea and cozy take on a specific meaning. A tea cozy is a kind of insulated cover or wrap for a teapot. Its main function is to keep the tea warm. So, you see, it's a cozy for your tea. Traditionally, a tea cozy might be made of fabric, often knitted or quilted, but they can come in various materials and designs. Some are quite decorative and can be quite a centerpiece for your tea time. The tea cozy has its origins in British culture. Given the UK's long-standing love affair with tea, it's no wonder they came up with an accessory to keep their beloved beverage warm for longer periods. Today, while it's most associated with traditional or formal tea settings, tea cozies have been embraced by various cultures and can be found in households around the world. To help solidify your understanding, here are a few examples of how you might use tea cozy in everyday conversation. 1. Can you please pass the tea cozy? My tea is getting cold. 2. I just bought a new tea cozy with a lovely floral design. 3. My grandmother used to knit tea cozies as a hobby. And that's a wrap on the world of tea cozies. We hope you found this explanation enlightening and cozy. Next time you're sipping on some warm tea, maybe you'll think of adding a tea cozy to your collection. Until then, happy learning and happy sipping.